Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. They visit us next week. Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. She watching TV when I called. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. He tea every morning. Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. We are best in the match. Option D is the correct answer. Question 5. I going to the market. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. You done a great job. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. She vegetables every day. Option C is the correct answer. Question 8. The cat on the sofa. Option D is the correct answer. Question 9. We going on a trip tomorrow. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. He never to his friend. Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. I too lock the door. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. She hard for exams. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. They reach the station. Option D is the correct answer. Question 14. I had the email yesterday. Option D is the correct answer. Question 15. The bus at 6 p.m. Option C is the correct answer.